Welcome to this, the sixth program in the Basic Engineering Skills series. In this program, you're going to learn how to perform a marking off exercise onto metal using basic marking instruments. In the last program, you learned how to read a sketch and a basic engineer's drawing. In this program, you will learn how to place the information from a drawing onto the surface of a metal workpiece. But before we get that far, let's begin by looking at the various instruments that we'll be using, and then we'll learn how to use them. The whole purpose of marking off is to make marks that you can see clearly on the surface of a metal workpiece. Once marked off, the workpiece can be completed by the artisan as he drills, cuts, files, or even machines the work according to those markings made. The basic instruments we use to make marks are a scriber, a prick punch, a divider, and a jenny calliper, also called an odd leg calliper. You will also need an engineer's steel rule, an engineer's tri-square, and a machinist's hammer. After the break, we'll begin demonstrating how these instruments are used.